Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. It's the next day. Mara got a couple of things erased off her list on the wrecker, and we'd like to continue on the wrecker, but I'll tell you what, I got to get that plow fixed because they're predicting snow again.
So you're gonna probably need the welder.
Yes, I am going to need the welder that's up in the other garage.
I'll go get it.
Oh, it's pretty heavy. I don't think you should be doing that.
I'm pretty strong.
Remember your back.
Oh, yeah.
I was going to go get it with the Bobcat.
I'll go get it with the Bobcat.
Okay.
Awesome. I'm gonna go get it with the Bobcat.
Keep going. Take that up too. Yep, it's heavy.
Will you strap this down?
No, it should be all right. You're good. You're fine. very fancy welder. This welder's been around for a while, and it was actually a gift from my dad. Way back when I was in high school and I went to welding class, my dad thought that was pretty cool. Maybe I'd be able to fix some stuff around the farm. So for my birthday, he bought me a welder, and I still have it and still use it.
All right, girls, here's your job. So, I want you guys to take this barrel out, bring it out of the bottom. Throw it in the drain. Now you guys are going to clean the outside of this barrel. Go grab your toothbrushes. No, just joking. Even though that would be funny. Here's another egg. Okay.
There's the new temporary home for the welder. Why? Because the outlet's over there.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
We gotta build some new stops for this.
Okay.
That's what we're working on right now.
Well, if you're doing that, I'm gonna work on the record.
Okay.
The list is getting not done fast enough.
The list isn't getting done fast enough.
No.
Tell everything else to not break. Yes, you can jack up the front end, put it on jack stands, and take the tires off.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
The next thing we gotta do is service that front end.
Yeah.
All right, you do
Okay.
that. I'll work on this.
You have fun.
What you up to, Mara?
Well, Eric's got so much on his plate right now with fixing the plow because we're getting more snow.
Wonderful.
Yes. I'm taking it upon myself to start working on the front end.
And what is your job for right now?
Well, I gotta get the brakes and the caliper off so I can pack the bearings in the front on this side, and then I'll work on the other side.
Is he going to replace the pads on that thing?
Actually, I don't think he does need to replace the pads because they're pretty good. I can still see a lot of brake pad left, so they're pretty good.
Oh, okay. What's that?
My system is organized, unlike Eric. He's not organized.
Yeah, well, you like to have your nuts in a row.
I do. This is all for the left side. This is all for the right. Then I'll know.
It'll work out.
Now I gotta get the clip out, and I gotta get the back off.
Extra points if you shoot it across the shop.
I think I got it stuck right now.
I think your punch is stuck.
Oh, really?
No. See? It's not stuck. Woohoo!
Yep.
Yep.
see that?
Lots of mud.
Watch your fingers.
Yep, I got it. There you go.
Oh.
Very good. Then we
Look it. You're trying to plant a tree, Brand, or something. Do you need brakes? Oh.
Well, there. Oh yeah, the inner ones wore out.
Well, I guess Gene was right. You do need brakes. You ride your brakes too much. That's a big no-no.
No, it's all the mud. It's like taking sandpaper to the brake pads.
There.
Well, are you off to the other side now?
No, I'm gonna work on one side first. Now I gotta take these out so I can get the inners out, and then he can pull this off for me.
Okay, Mar, what you looking for?
My little star thingy jiggy.
Is that like a whatchamacallit?
It is exactly like a whatchamacallit.
Except smaller, I bet.
It is. It's super small. I already cleaned the mud out of this one.
What you looking for, Ilsa? Attention.
Yep, attention. I gotta figure out what Mom's doing because Mom's not giving me full attention. Oh, you're holding the baby. You're holding my little baby. Like, well, Mom can't give me attention, someone else will give me attention.
Yeah, right?
Like, wait, what? Why are you taking me down?
Switched to US systems and no one was alive today. They didn't have the menu done, so I spent like 4 hours there this morning. It's fun.
So now I have to get the snap pliers and get the ring off right here.
And clean it up.
Yeah. There we go.
Like that. Like that.
And now I need to get the snap ring in there and the socket.
No, you need to get the socket and take the outer nut off, and then the center washer with the tabs on it and the holes, and then the inner nut.
Inner nut. Inner nut.
Not internet, inner nut.
What you got there?
A special socket to get in there to unloosen that to get it out. The nut. And voila! Got that one.
Be a metal tabbed washer.
There it is.
Yep.
See? Oh no. I forgot that one was in there.
Going smooth like butter.
Silky smooth. Ooh. Gene, I dare you to lick this. I'll give you $1.
Nope.
Elsa, no. That's Ishy.
And she wanted me to lick it. Good grief.
She wouldn't even let the dog lick it.
No. And voila. Girl power. We'll have him look at my work and see what he says.
Well, we're back. We're working on the plow. Seat cover was wonderful, and she kept working on the front end of the wrecker. She's got that almost all the way apart, but we got to make some pieces for the plow. No, it's not too hot in the center. Okay. Ah, what was I thinking? I cleaned up the wrong edges. So that one like that. That one like that. Now I know I could just build these up, but this one's bent all up and that one's bent up a bit. So we're just gonna make some new stops for this angle right here to come up and sit on. Weld that on there like that. Weld that one on there like that. Right behind the edge of this angle line. And that'll make the plow stand up where it's supposed to before it got all wore out and bent up. Well, that's not going to work. And we haven't built an extension cord for the welder yet. Looks like we're going to have to move the plow closer. I'm probably not quite as good at this as Rory, but I think I can do it good enough. Yeah, that's about where we want it. We'll weld these in for backstops. Boy, this plow is really getting bent and beat up and wore out. I guess when you use something for over 40 years, it's going to get that way. Take the blocks out. Well, that's functional again, but I don't get to cross anything off of the list because it wasn't on the list. Thanks for watching, PSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.